Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to calculate, how to square a number that ends with 5. So let's take an example. This is going to be 125 squared, that is multiplied by 125, equals 15,625. So I'm saying that after this video you'll be able to do such a calculation mentally, even though it seems to be difficult now. So that's the result. And in order to learn the trick, we will take a smaller number, just a 2-digit number, and we will see that we will learn the trick. Well, you have to divide the number into 2 parts. One of them is the last digit, which is 5. It's always 5 because that was the assumption, as in the title, that we learn how to square a number that ends with 5. And yeah, divide it into 2 parts to 5. And the rest of the number, in this case, is just 1 digit, 4. But here it would be 5 and 12, right? And 5 and 12. Well, then what you do is to multiply the first part of the number by itself, incremented by 1. That is, you multiply 4 times 4 plus 1. And what you get is 4 times 5, it's 20. And the second part, what you do with 5s, it's pretty simple. You just multiply it by itself. It will always equal to 25. So you just write 25 here. And that's the result. So 45 times 45 equals 2025. Now let's take an example which is a bit more complicated. Quite almost as big as the initial example we see at the beginning of the video. This number is pretty tough. Like if you ask anyone in the street to square 115 mentally, I guess not many people would be able to do that. But it's simpler than it seems to be with this trick. So we divide the number into 2 parts, right? So we get 11 and 5. And now what we do is to multiply 11 by itself, incremented by 1. And we will get the first part. Okay, let's continue. So we will have, after simplifying this expression, we get 11 times 11 plus 11. Okay, so this is as hard as it gets in this video. You will have to be able to know how to calculate 11 times 11. Hopefully you know it's 121 plus 11. You get 132. So this is the frontal part of our result. And now what we do is to just add 25 at the end. And this is the result. For 115 squared equals 13,225. Well, that's the result. And you already know the trick. That's it.